been sitting here for 4 days. From my good friends at Offspring. It's a dope box, man. What do we have here? Jordan box. What the Jordan 5? Let's get into it. Sneakers. To be honest, guys, I've been sitting here for the last 2 minutes, and I can't tell which side do I like the best, the red or the yellow. I mean, they both sport iconic colorways that GR releases have never seen. And you know what I'm talking about. But I think as far as material, the red wins for me. In that comment section below, let me know what side y'all like best. We're going to get into an in-depth review of the latest What the Jordan 5 that drops today. I've been slacking. I had that package sitting there since Saturday, I want to believe. But got the review out same day. So I'm proud of that. And it still makes this an early review.
Got him!
But before we get into these, let me get into this. My latest Travis Scott merch that finally hit the house. So right here is your crew t-shirt. Got a whole bunch of chicken nuggets. Not the best of the Travis Scott merch, but I liked it when I seen it on site. Another shirt that popped up. Yes, sir. Now we're getting into the things I like that I purchased from that Travis Scott situation. Right here is the Travis Scott meal tee. Got like your tie-dye baby blue look all around. This is one of the better ones. And last but not least, your apple pie hoodie. The material, the fabric on this hoodie is amazing. That's the back side. The front side simply reads apple pie. But the material on this hoodie is amazing, man. So yeah, that's all the pickups I got for this week. And you know, the coronavirus is still spiking, so I want y'all to stay safe. And this is how you can stay safe. Y'all know I had to do it, right? Laker championship pandemic mask. I hate wearing a mask, but if I'm going to wear one, it's going to be a Laker championship one. Now, back to these. Yes, sir. So What the Jordan 5s finally released. I remember being sitting right here and reviewing the top 3 Jordan 5s, and to be honest, man, I didn't like those sneakers at all. I was like, with all the other colorways of the Jordan 5s, why would he give us what they gave us with their top 3? But it was a clean shoe. But this is what we were looking for. We was looking for the Shanghai, Tokyo, Fresh Prince mashup. You know, they did us right with these, man. Let's get into the review. Sneaker notes. Unboxing time. Boom. So it comes in your regular Jordan 5 box. And that's one gripe that I do have. I mean, it's a what the they could have played with the box a little bit, especially at a $220 price tag. I mean, I get it. We got the Shanghai, the Raging Bull, all those materials in it. But I feel like they should have played with the box just a little more and not gave us a regular Jordan 5 box. But hey, the tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. Yeah. Open it up. Well, let me let y'all see the tag, because you know there's a lot of craziness going on in this world. Look at your tag. That's how it should look. And I got these early from Offspring. Offspring is an overseas website. Check them out. Usually when a sneaker comes out, like today, the What the Fives come out, but I happened to get them last week. Because you know overseas is usually a week in advance with releases. So there go your, see if I can get that on camera. There you go. There go your quality stamp right there. There go your paper. Just a regular splat gray paper. Nothing too crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, I want to start with the left shoe because it's my favorite, man. Let's come close and get a 360 view of that. Yeah, man. And Raging Bull material is something special, guys. Special. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I remember selling like 10 pairs of sneakers on GOAT at one time. And if you sell on GOAT, then you know that they don't give you your money right away. They put it as credit. And I remember just sitting there for credit. And I remember like, what grail do I want? And every time the Raging Bull came up. And I just said, I don't know. I feel like they're going to re-release somehow, some way. And the left shoe of the What the Five, the overall silhouette is the Raging Bull. And this material does not disappoint. It's a little, it's nubuck suede, but it's like hard, rough nubuck suede. It's not gonna really give you that, you know, that light dark situation too much. It's like a real hard sandpapered nubuck suede. And that comes all the way around. Your inside lining, of course, is your Fresh Prince of Bel-Air look. Definitely a top 5 Jordan 5 for the top 3 people. And your bottom has the glow in the dark situation, i.e. I think the 54's bottom, and right here your fighter jets or your shark teeth, people call them different things, has your metallic 5 situation there. Your bottom also glows in the dark. Super dope, man. They gave these sneakers justice. The tongue, I'm not too sure about because it looks like the green bean situation. But I also remember these woman exclusive Jordan 5s that was silver and green. So I'm really not too sure on that. In that comment section below, if you know exactly where this Jordan 5 tongue come from, please write it in the comment section below. Each one teach one. The laces is laced strong. See if I get to the shoe tree. There we go. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Nothing special here. And the insole is just a regular black with a white Jumpman logo. Now let's get to the right shoe. Here you go, man. The beautiful yellow situation here. That stands out right away. And I'm sorry I didn't mention the Shanghai icon on the Raging Bull look. Maybe because I was too hyped to talk about this one here. It's really amazing how this is considered a Tokyo logo, but if you look close, it's really just a 23. Oh, you didn't know that, huh? I know I said that the red pair was my favorite. Maybe I jumped the gun because of the Raging Bull. But you know, whenever you put yellow and purple together as a blend like that, you know I'm a Laker fan. That really sets me straight, man. But here you have your whole Tokyo upper. And that's a lot of people's grail also. So I can see why the yellow is favorite. Here you have your bottom Bel Air look. Again, one of the top 5 Jordans ever. But they did something crazy here. And the sock lining here, I want to say it's your Army Olive look. I have to fact check this. That's one of the great things about this channel. We don't fact check unless we have to. But in that comment section below, let me know if that's Army Olive in there. Because that Jordan 5 is like under the radar. People don't really talk about that. This one also, the right side also comes with black shoestrings just like the left. But the ice color differs. And then this ice cover. And this ice right here is just a simple black. Not like your lime green on your Raging Bull. So you have lime green here and you have the regular black there. What I do love, both sneakers sport a 3M tongue. One being lime green, one being orange, but they both have that 3M look, which is dope. What I don't love about the sneaker is that we don't have the Nike Air on the back. You already know the Nike Air on the booty makes every Jordan looks better, from the 3 on down. It's not a buzzkill for me, but I wish we had the Nike Air there. Another thing I do love is the glow-in-the-dark aspect. Like, I really love that glow-in-the-dark aspect. And then on the left shoe, the lime green on the bottom complements the glow-in-the-dark accent on the left beautifully. I do feel like they could have added more shoestrings in the box. I mean, you have all these colors, all these dope silhouette colorway mesh. I feel like they could have added at least one more color in the box. But there's a whole bunch of places you can go get your shoelaces from. I got a whole bunch. Hit me up. I'll let you know. And they're super duper steals right now. You know, Black Friday, Veterans Day, all that thing. Shout out to everybody who served in the Army, by the way. But yeah, man, this is my review on what the Jordan 5s. Probably my second favorite Jordan 5 to release this year. Because you already know the off-white black ones released early this year, and that's still one of my favorite Jordan 5s. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to go 10, man. Maybe 9. They gave us 2 to 3 to 4 iconic colorways that people can't even get in their collection. So to put all those together and let us rock, super dope. I want to know who will cop 2 pairs of these. Well, you can't even do that, forget it. But I was going to say, who's going to cop 2 pairs of these so they can have a yellow and a yellow and a red and a red, but there's no way that could happen. But that would have been super dope, Jordan. I don't want to hold y'all too long. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. What the Jordan 5s release in a few minutes. I wish all y'all good luck, man. Everybody, get rich.